You are welcome to Mementos Images. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Veo 3 for free in Nigeria at any part of the world. Please, if you find this video helpful, kindly help to subscribe and like this video. I indeed appreciate it a lot. So let's quickly dive into it.
This site is one.google.com. I'll post the link in this video description. So go to here, verify eligibility, and it's loading, and fill in all of this space. The country, I'm going to choose Nigeria. Then the school, I'll choose Olabisi Onabanjo University, and then the name. Put the same name you inputted on your Gmail account. Okay, the same name, input it here. Then the date of birth is very important. That what should be here too, the same way you provided. And when you are opening your Gmail, ensure it is within 2000 to 2005. It's very important. The year should be 2000 to 2005. So I'm going to verify this, but for this, let me copy the school. So I'm going to verify student status. So when it shows you this page, go back on your browser, continue to go back until you see where it says upload your document. So thereafter, we will minimize it and upload our document. So just go back again. Now here, this is what I'm saying, you minimize this place. So this next site, I'm going to post the link in the description, my video description, where you generate your ID card. Here, the code also, you can get that from my Telegram channel. So you come to this place, choose canvas, okay, then you paste the code here and enter. So here's the code I'm going to paste now. You can get that from my Telegram channel. So you can enter it and patiently wait for it. It won't take long to generate the ID card. It's loading. Okay, it's loading. It won't take much of your time. Alright, this is it. This is the interface where you provide your information as you entered before. So I'm going to put a passport. Even if you don't want to put passport, no problem, you still everything will still be right. Okay, so here is the passport. Then the school, I'm going to paste it. I've already copied it before. Where is the school? Olabisi Onabanjo. Then the name you provided earlier on, let everything tally. Then date of birth also, let it tally. If it's March, write MARCH. If January, just write it this way, the same way you provided before, and the year you provided on your Gmail, your new Gmail. So here you can edit the last 3 digits, here the phone number, last 4 digits, or you leave it this way. Do you understand? Whether you're in Nigeria, anywhere part of the world at all, so there is no problem at all. If you want to edit it, edit the last 4 digit number. Do you understand? If you want to leave it this way, no problem, it will still go. Do you understand? Everything will be normal. So then the academic year, ensure it is 2025. Do you understand? Only 2025. Ensure it is like that. So when you provided all this information, you will download it. And you see this place is PDF. Here is going to give you an issue. There is a reason I'm showing you this, in case you have this. Just watch it to the very end. I'm going to save it. You can see. So download. I'm going to download it, sorry. So here is this PDF. This PDF is not going to give you what we need. So this is the interface again. Upload your document. I'm going to upload my PDF right now of that ID card, and you see what will happen. I'm going to show this because you might be having this kind of challenge, so that's why I'm taking my time to explain. Can you see you're unable to confirm your eligibility? The reason is because it's on PDF. So we are going to go back to this new and regenerate it again. Fill the code on this canvas, choose canvas and paste the code again. When you paste the code, it will give you the interface where you input your information. It's loading, it takes time. This is it. You can really see PNG and PDF. We are interested in the PNG. When it gives you like this, don't worry, you are good to go. But you provide your information. I purposely show you this because you might be having this same, it might give you PDF in the first place. So you go to the new and generate it until you see PNG or and PDF. When you see PNG and PDF, we are good to go. But we only see PDF, we have an issue, so you have to go back to the new. So provide all your information as earlier showed. Okay, student name, date of birth as provided on your Gmail account, as I show you before. You just follow the same way. You can see here, so ensure it is written in alphabet. If it's in January, write it JANUARY, March and like that, MARCH like that. So this is January 01/2001. That was what I chose before. Same providing the same way again, the same way I put it before. Okay, you can see here it gives me 2004, 24 to 2025. I have to edit this. Okay. Yeah, 2025. You can see giving me backward again. That's a problem. So you can download this. This one is in PNG. So you can download this. We only need the PNG here. Do you get it? If you find this video handy, kindly help to grow the channel by liking it and subscribe. It's very important. I will so much appreciate it. Thank you very much. We're going to click on download card. Download now. Allow. Cancel here. This is open. Let me show you. So this is the ID card. Do you understand? So this is what I'm going to upload on that document. So I'm going to go back to that same page here. Okay, it has refreshed. So there's no problem. You put your information again on this page as earlier provided, because it's refreshed by itself. So in Nigeria, everything you provided before. Let me just fast track this process because I've already shown you before. Okay, this information was what entered on my the same way I provided on my Gmail account, like date of birth, the name. Very important. So this is it. Here, go back as I earlier showed you before. Back again on your browser to show you where you upload your documents. Here, add documents. So here is my ID card that I generated. Here now you submit it. So patiently wait for it. It won't take much of your time. Less than 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, it's going. You have been verified. So from here, agreed. Just wait for it so you can provide your information, your bank detail. Click on add card and provide your ATM information. Okay, don't be afraid. They are not going to charge you. Okay, they are not going to be charged. And after this, you can still remove your information, your ATM information, by going to Play Store. Okay, and choose your account, your Gmail account from that Play Store to unsubscribe. After subscribing, don't worry, you still have access for good 1 year. The reason why you are unsubscribing is for you for that 1 year, so that you will not be charged. So you need to unsubscribe before that 1 year completed. Okay, so this is it. Alright, so go to Play Store and choose your Gmail account, that same Gmail account, and so on that same Gmail account here, can you see? So here, come to payment and subscription, come to subscription, click on it. You can see here, click on it, and anywhere here, so you can see cancel subscription, so click on it. The reason why you are canceling, so you just choose any option here, unsubscribed. So you can see, so I'm going to I'll paste this link in the description, this flow. Okay, this flow. So let me show you the 1000. Can you see the 1000 that they gave me? That's interesting. I'm going to set this all the settings, one landscape, fast, VO3 fast. So let me show you one of this sample. Okay, just test one in it. Part of the credit, 1000 credit I was giving. So every month you'll be given this for good 1 year. So if you find this video and again, please kindly help to grow the channel by liking it and subscribing. I'm so much grateful. Thank you so much.
So we have come to the end of the tutorial. Please help to grow the channel by subscribing and liking it. It won't cost you anything than your love. So please subscribe, please like it, and also comment if you have any difficulties. I will do so well to respond to you. Thank you so much. Bye for now.